Vendlife's newest caps vending machine, supplier of NBA Arena for their caps merchandise. Sell your brand's merchandise by this machine and wear your logo on people's head. Easy to refill them with no caps. 32-inch HD touchscreen. Show your promotion to people in front of your machine. Multi-language options. Select your item and purchase. Payment system devices we support: banknotes, coins, and card readers. Next. This is your delivery man. He will grab the cap you want, then deliver caps to your hand. Both curved caps and flat caps are supported. Tighten it up, tighten it up, tighten it up, tighten it up, tighten it up. Hold up.
Vendlife.